My room is messy and I look like a bum right now, but I don't care. Today, I'm so excited because you all know, if you follow me on Instagram, all know that I got a new phone. Holy mail today. Thumbnail. Squishers, it's me, Alyssa. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So, we're gonna unbox my phone and sorry for my ugliness, but we got some scissors. I came prepared, first time ever in my life I came prepared. So, let's cut this open. This is rose gold. I can't see it. It like looks gold. I think it's gold actually. Oh my god. Okay, English, United States. I'm back and I changed. Welcome to our phone. It's so pretty. I love it so much. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you all in my next video or my next vlog. And squishster out.